What is good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today what I'm going to be doing is upgrading my beast mode. And so here's what I'm working with. So I'm going to be using a green and yellow theme this time on the bike, and we're also going to be putting new inner tubes and tires and a new seat on it as well. And as you can see, this bike has had better days. So my back tire has actually gone flat recently, and my seat obviously has seen better days. It's pretty raggedy, if I do say so myself. And same goes with the bar ends and the grips. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Here's the seat. And now we're going to put on the new grips. We'll take off the old one. On, tires up next. This should take me about the same amount of time. Alright, finally got my front tire on. Now let's go ahead and put the back on. Alright, both tires are on, and I put that one on off camera. It took forever. So last thing I'm gonna do tonight, before I continue tomorrow, is take the wheel strips off, and I will see you guys in a bit. We are outside, about to clean the bike. So I'm gonna clean all these separately, including the frame and my brake. So I will see y'all in a minute. The bike frame and the wheels are dry. I also cleaned the brake too. And now I'm gonna put the spoke skins in. That news. Yeah, gonna put that new sprocket right there. Hey, let's get this. Boom. Alright, got my sprocket on, and I put a wheel on. Now, let's put the spoke skins on. Work smarter, not harder. Or do both. Or neither. Harder, not smarter. Oh, it worked. Kind of. I'm about to put this bike back together right now. Alright, currently the next morning, I'm about to put these wheel strips on, along with the green ones, on one wheel, and then I'll finish both sides on the other ones off camera. Later, here are the wheel strips. On, and up next, going to the pegs. Alright, grip tape on, and here's how the bike looks so far. Everything matches, and we're good.